speechless. Alright guys, welcome back. So, we might have did something. Maybe not. But maybe I did something. I don't know. We got a new car. But it's not new, it's used. And it's not mine. So, today I'm going to be talking about the Tesla Model S. So, this is my cousin's car. My cousin's down visiting from Washington, drove us all the way. And I was excited because I've actually never driven a Tesla. Even though I worked in the auto business for a very long time, we've had used Teslas, I just never drove one. Got to drive it yesterday, and this thing is amazing. So, last year, I owned a 2013 Nissan Leaf, which again, practical little car, not the most appealing, but it was fantastic for what it was. And I only bought it for $2,800, so made sense to do it. But this thing blows it away. Not only for looks, but range and quality. It's just fantastic. Now, go along with it again. So now they have, the high performance P100D, with ludicrous mode and all that stuff. So, but again, even with this one being a 90D, so D, again, as we all know, is dual motors. If you didn't, it's dual motor, so it's all-wheel drive. So when you have that D there, that is for that. Again, when you have P is for performance. So again, it doesn't have the most longest range, but it has the most ridiculous amounts of power. And this thing is just incredible. One thing, I am becoming more of a fan of electric cars. I personally did not like them at first, but after owning one and now driving the Tesla, I'm kind of switching a little bit. Again, Elon Musk with the new Roadster has, I believe, said that it'll be 1.9 seconds from 0 to 60, and in a little over 4 seconds from 0 to 100, which is astonishing. Oh my God, these things are incredible. These are going to be the new wave of performance exotic cars. Is Tesla an exotic car? Absolutely not. Is it luxury? Yeah, I would say that. I'd say it's luxury, but it's just astounding. That's cool. Pull open, and the simplicities of it is so cool, man. Like again, everyone knows Tesla with their big screens and all stuff. And the car's charging right now, and it's going on. You enter in, air starts blowing. This thing is incredible. Now Tesla's made a few models over the years with the Model S, coming out with first the 500, the 50, the 60, 75, and now we got the 90D. So, which again, they all come up to 100D now. This is the key. The key itself is just the most simple thing. Literally, all you have to have is on your person, go up to the door, and opens right up. Space behind it is fantastic, and the versatility behind this car is incredible. So again, you got USB ports back here to charge, 3 seats, a lot of cool space, and again, it got an Alcantara headliner. That is incredible. It's just those things, and again, these things brand new, they're $100,000 cars. Buy them pre-owned now, you can get them for, you can probably buy a late model one for 50, maybe even cheaper, but again, these things are incredible. But how about we just go find a few that are really cheap? Alright guys, so this is Auto Tempest right here. So this is what I use to find any kind of car that I'm looking for. So it uses Carvana, eBay, all this stuff. But here, let's go to this. So let's select Tesla. Scroll, scroll, scroll. Alright, Tesla. Then, alright, Gotta give it a second to load the models. All right, there we go. So Model S, and then any mileage. So again, they're all throughout the United States. Click search, and then let's see what pops up. Now it's coming up with everything. Oh wow. Okay, so again, you want to set it to lowest price, and then now you have a 2013 Model S, 98,000 miles, $28,000. That is crazy. So just kind of looking. All right, let's look at this one right here. Carvana coming soon. Let's see, is it gonna load? Oh, so it looks like someone's already gonna be buying it. So purchase pending, but it's this. Oh, let's go away. Carvana, no. But a lot of people have viewed this car. But all right, let's go back. Let's see, what else can we find? But looking at all these guys, like you can buy a Tesla 13, so 7 years old, for fairly cheap. You can buy them for under $30,000 now. Again, they're going to have some miles on them, but you know, they're not a lot of maintenance. Like all they really need is, coolant, some washer fluid, and other stuff like that. But it's really cool. Yeah, I think I might buy one myself sometime in the future. Alright guys, so that's all I got for you today, but again, Tesla's a pretty cool car, so don't forget, I'm going to say it now, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
You've got to know that nothing lasts.